everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Thanks for joining us again. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, English Podcast. The link is in the description. We help you learn English through real conversations.
Today, we're talking about something serious but important. The recent tensions between Iran and Israel. It's been all over the news. And many people are asking, is the world safe anymore?
Yeah, it's been intense. There were missile attacks, drone strike. It feels like something from a movie, but it's real.
Right? Many people are worried. Students, families, they're asking if this will turn into a big war. What do you think, Jake?
I think people should stay calm, but also be aware. It's important to understand what's happening and learn how countries react. And for English learners, it's also a chance to learn new vocabulary, like airstrike, military tension, or diplomatic relations.
That's so true. And learning English through current events helps. You speak more naturally about the real world.
Exactly. Also, it shows how language connects us to what's happening globally.
We hope you all stay informed and safe. And remember, this podcast is not just for English. It's about understanding the world together.
So, keep practicing, keep asking questions, and stay curious.
Don't forget to like this episode and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the situation?
And of course, subscribe for more real English every week. So Emma, for those who don't follow international news closely, what exactly started this new round of conflict between Iran and Israel?
Well, the recent escalation began after some military strikes in Syria, which Iran blamed on Israel. Then Iran responded with drone and missile attacks. It's a cycle of retaliation that's been going on for years. But this time, it felt more direct and intense.
And that's what makes it so scary. It wasn't just a border conflict. Iran launched a large number of drones and missiles. And Israel intercepted most of them with help from the US and other allies. That kind of international involvement shows how serious it is.
Right? And for English learners, this is a good chance to understand vocabulary like retaliation, interception, defense systems, and alliance.
Yes, and phrases like regional tension, international response, and military escalation. These are real-world terms you can use in serious conversations.
And let's not forget the human side of all this. Civilians are scared. People are worried about their families and future. That's why we're not just talking politics. We're also talking about peace and understanding.
Exactly, and understanding helps reduce fear. When we learn about other cultures, conflicts, and countries, we become better global citizens.
Couldn't agree more. And to all our listeners, don't let the news make you anxious. Stay informed, talk about it, and use this chance to learn and grow.
You said it perfectly. And remember, on English Podcast, we don't just help you learn English, we connect it to real life.
So, if you found this episode helpful, please like it, leave a comment, and share it with a friend.
And subscribe to English Podcast on YouTube. More useful, real conversations are coming every week.
Thank you for being with us today. Take care, stay strong, and keep learning. Bye.